Welcome to Chivi House, a serene retreat nestled in Da Nang, Vietnam. Designed by Hinz Studio, this residence harmoniously blends minimalist architecture with natural elements, creating an environment that fosters growth and creativity for its young inhabitants. Chivi House presents a clean and straightforward facade, characterized by geometric volumes and a neutral color palette. The use of natural materials such as rough brick, concrete, steel, wood, and stone adds texture and warmth to the exterior. The design emphasizes simplicity, reflecting the innocence and creativity of the children who reside within. The structure utilizes durable materials like concrete and steel, ensuring longevity and stability. The rough brick walls are constructed with a double-layer design, separated by an air cavity. This thoughtful approach provides excellent thermal insulation and soundproofing, creating a comfortable and quiet indoor environment. The ground floor features an open-plan layout that maximizes connectivity between functional spaces, both indoors and outdoors. This design allows children to move freely and play, fostering a sense of openness. Large windows and sliding doors facilitate seamless transitions between the interior and the lush garden, enhancing the connection to nature. Natural light floods the interior through strategically placed windows and openings, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. This intentional lighting design enhances the emotional connection to the space and emphasizes the home's minimalist aesthetic. The selection of natural materials ensures that the house ages gracefully over time. Rough brick, concrete, and wood surfaces develop a patina, adding character and depth to the home. This approach not only provides durability but also creates a living environment that evolves alongside the family. The interior spaces are designed with a minimalist approach, allowing the natural materials and the family's personal touches to take center stage. The open layout encourages flexibility and adaptability, accommodating the changing needs of a growing family. Subtle decor elements complement the overall aesthetic, creating a cohesive and tranquil environment. Lush greenery surrounds Chivi House, with plants thoughtfully integrated into both indoor and outdoor spaces. This design choice not only enhances the visual appeal but also improves air quality and provides natural cooling. The garden serves as an extension of the living area, offering a space for relaxation, play, and connection to nature. Chivi House exemplifies how thoughtful design can create a nurturing and inspiring environment for a family. By embracing simplicity, natural materials, and a strong connection to nature, Hinz Studio has crafted a home that is both functional and poetic. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Chivi House, a true sanctuary in the heart of Da Nang.